right, so we're going to go to our secret spot.
And hope it worked.
Don't tell anybody.
We wanted to make sure we weren't doing anything wrong, so.
Good morning, Zion.
Yeah.
Going to be going to a secret spot. All these people are going to go to the visitor center and discover that the parking lot is full and try to get a parking spot and be going around and around and around looking for a parking spot. Meanwhile, we're hopefully going to go to the same spot we did the first day, but we didn't record it. You know?
Right. Yeah. We pulled in, we parked, we looked at other cars to see if they had tags or anything, looked for signs. There was nothing. We parked there, got out, we passed a couple rangers, no one said anything. So we're like, okay, we think we found this little gem, this little secret. And then we did our ride on the Paris Trail. It takes you
over the bridges, over the river. It's so pretty. So we kind of just stumbled on that on Tuesday, I think, when we were here, and it's Thursday, May 13th, I believe it is. And we're going to take you guys with us today because it was so beautiful and so wonderful and such a treat that we got to do this. That we wanted to share it. It's really hard to believe that you can actually ride your bike 8 miles into the Park of Zion, and it's really not that bad of a ride. The other thing that is really incredible is how, again, the e-bike, there are tons of e-bikes being rented, people on e-bikes traveling the canyon, and the canyon is open to e-bikes. And the one thing that we learned is that you got, if the shuttle bus approaches, you have to stop and put your leg down before they even pass you.
Yeah, the Paris Trail took us up to the point where the road is closed and the shuttle buses can only go. The other morning when we came in and we discovered the parking spot at the overflow, the signs coming into the park said parking is full in Zion. So I wasn't sure if they were going to be turning us around or what. So that's when we were able to get in still. We went to the parking, and of course it was full. And then that's when we turned right out of the parking, the visitor center, and then found that other spot. So if the sign says parking is full, don't be discouraged. They will still let you through. And of course, because there is the tunnel, you can, go all the way through the park. But just wanted to share that little tidbit. That's what it looks like this morning, and it's 8:15. So we got a little closer. When we were here the other day at 8:30, it was a little more traffic. So the earlier the better. The early bird gets the worm.
Good morning.
All right, good to go. Thank you.
Thank you.
Nice. Have your ID ready too if you have your annual park pass.
Well, what they really want is a ID with a signature so they can verify the signature on the back.
And so we're going to go to our secret spot.
And hope it works.
Don't tell anybody.
So we passed the visitor center parking right when we got in. So over here is the south campground, and then we are passing that. Well, the entrance is right here. So south campground, and this is where we're gonna turn. Now, granted, the sign in the parking lot did not say full, but I think it was darn near full when we passed it. Oh. Overflow parking, Nature Center, Paris Trail. Did you see that? Did you see it? We'll pass through.
Did you see that?
The south campground's to the right, but look at this. Look at this. There's a picnic area in here.
And those poor folks are going round and round and round.
All that parking, Nature Center, Paris Trail, shuttle stops 1 and 2. You can get to the shuttle at 1 and 2 as well. Look at this. Okay, now they have a little bit of construction. We didn't have that the other day, but there's nobody here. So we're gonna park on this end cap here. Gives us plenty of space to get our bikes out and everything, and voila. Stan just said good morning to the ranger. I mean, we're such rule followers. We wanted to make sure we weren't doing anything wrong.
Good morning, Zion. The beauty of Zion never stops. Good morning. But I'll tell you what, this is better than a trip to Disneyland. How many gems, honey?
5 gems this Zion National Park did.
How many gems biking, Zion?
5 gems.
Yes, that's true. Oh, we made it to the Zion Lodge again.
Oh, is it here already?
Yeah,
Oh my gosh.
in record time. See, that's it right there.
Right.
That's Angel's Landing right there. See the sway?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
This is the Zion Lodge. But you can actually come up here and stay up here. And it's among all these giant rocks. Just incredible. Absolutely incredible. I think they're the same ones that were running down the road the other day. That's wild turkey right there. Grand Central Station. So we just went up 4 miles to the Zion Lodge, and now we're gonna bomb down 4 miles. All right, go. Go hard. You're funny. I'm gonna get you. Wow. What a great ride. That's one way to not stop for the bus. Go faster than the bus. So what?
You can go left and go through the tunnel, right? And then visitor center is that way. I got a pump though, I'm telling you, just coming down. I think I pedaled 95% of that.
Yeah, because we wanted to go fast.
I know, I wish I had a speedometer.
Oh, it'll tell us how fast you're going.
I think I was speeding. It was 25 around that one corner. I think I was going 26.
We bombed down that.
Woo!
Well, I saw the bus behind us.
Oh, did you?
Yeah,
No.
and I told you just let's go.
I never saw it.
So I told you to go hard, and by going hard,
We outran the bus.
we outran the bus.
Yeah, in fact, there it is coming right now.
They have all kinds of private tours going through Zion. And then if you book your own, you know, the tour, they come through.
That's cool. I don't know where they take you, what you do, but
They take you all the way up to the top. All right. You ready to go?
not really. It's really hard, but
Let's finish it. Say goodbye.
goodbye.
Say goodbye to all that. All right, what a wonderful ride that was.
You get up early this morning?
Yeah.
Good for you,
Yeah.
yeah.
Have you ridden this yet?
I have done it
Yeah.
before.
Okay.
I was down here yesterday, actually.
Okay. Yeah, we were here
Yeah.
a couple days ago doing it, and it. Oh my gosh, it's gorgeous.
Isn't it?
Isn't it amazing? It's just so like,
You know,
yeah,
I think,
good for your soul.
yeah, it is, yeah.
Yeah.
Very much.
You know what? And to ride the bike,
Oh!
it's
Right.
just incredible.
Well, you know, you guys are
Yeah.
you guys are working harder.
Well,
yeah,
you
it doesn't really
have
matter.
levels, right?
It's
Yeah. So I mean, I do this and then do a couple hikes and whatnot. I don't want to burn myself out on hiking all the way out there.
right. Yeah.
And I did the Narrows first
Did
time I ever
you?
done. It was gorgeous.
Good
We
for
have
you.
not done that yet.
Yeah, it's,
We probably see that till next time, but we did Angel's Landing yesterday.
that's what I think I'm gonna do today.
Oh boy.
4 hours, right?
Yeah.
1,500 feet
Yep.
exposure. Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
You know,
It's,
it is the
good.
most incredible hike you will ever experience.
Enjoy.
That bike, is that yours or
No,
is
no,
this
it's
something
just
you rented?
one of the many rentals in town.
Right. That
yeah.
thing's beefy.
I like that one. The big
Dang.
fat tires. That's
You know,
cool.
I'm sitting back. I'm just sitting back like this.
Fantastic. Where did you rent it at?
You know, there's tons of places.
Yeah, there's
in,
tons of places down there.
in the town,
Yeah.
but yeah, it's the first time I ever rented an e-bike, and
Yeah.
it's like, wow, I think I'd like to buy one for my home use.
Yeah. Best of travels to you.
Safe,
All right.
safe journey.
All right.
Are you ready?
Yep. Like we keep saying, we just meet the nicest people. Woohoo! Good morning. Good morning. be all the way up in the canyon and then come back down and be done. Good morning.
They do like us to walk our bikes. We just do that. Well, we saw a sign somewhere that said to do it.
I don't know if I saw a sign here at all.
Yeah, I don't either,
But
it's probably just wise.
look, if we went and showed you the chaos that's happening at the visitor center right now, folks, save your anxiety and stress and just come here.
Yeah, and a little bit farther you can see there's cars that are all lined up out there too. So you can park all out there. There's little bathrooms right there, you know, little portable bathrooms.
And it's just a hop, skip, and a jump to go through the campground, and you hit the visitor center if you need to catch the...
Yeah, you can even take this trail and it'll take you to shuttle 1 and 2 as well.
Yeah.
But there you have it. I think the trick though for me, I've discovered, if I leave wanting to come back, wanting more, I think that's when you've done it right. You know, when you get to the point where you're like, oh, get me out of here. That's not good. But this has left me wanting to come back and wanting more.
Yeah, no, I agree. There's so much, you know, I know I've done my bucket list, and my bucket list was to do Angel's Landing,
which I never even knew about.
Which,
He wrote me into.
if you wanted to stay at Scott's, what's that called? Scott's?
No, Scouts Landing.
Or Scouts Landing. And didn't want it, I would have stayed with you.
Yeah.
But we did it. That's definitely a bucket list.
Yeah, it's probably best that, well, we're going to show our video, but I'm going to say it's probably best you don't know what you're getting into when you go up there. Yeah. All right, well.
Say goodbye.
Say goodbye. Till next time.
So we just want to also show you we're leaving at, it's 9:50, so almost 10 o'clock, and we want to look at the line here coming into the park. So just giving you guys a gauge of what the traffic is like, what the entrance is like. I guess that's not too bad. It's not horrible. That was probably no less than what. But look at there again, all the parking is full on the sides here. People just don't know about that little bit on the inside. But you can park and you can walk, you can bike inside the park. Bike, into the park. Of course, you got to pay your entrance fees and all that. But anyhow, have it.